Talk to tomatoes. If a squash can make you smile. If you like to waltz with potatoes up and down the produce aisle. Excuse me. Have we got a show for you? VeggieTales, 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 VeggieTales. Broccoli, celery, gotta be VeggieTales. There's never a show like VeggieTales. There's never a show like VeggieTales. It's time for VeggieTales.
We interrupt your normal programming to bring you an emergency announcement. This is an emergency broadcast from CBS News. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Pittsburgh Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the following areas: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, effective until 11 p.m. Please pay attention to this announcement. At approximately 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, vegetables have started to disappear out of nowhere. All stores have no vegetables to sell. Residents were confused on why they just started to disappear. There was no robbery, no theft, no footprints, nothing. Residents have also started to panic out of nowhere. Vegetables are the most important thing on earth. Without them, it will increases the risk of digestive problems, heart disease, and nutrient deficiencies. Police officers are investigating the situation on why they disappeared. Residents are advised to stay calm and do not panic. It is also recommended to close all windows and doors in case of any serious riot. If you feel like you need to talk to or need help, please visit 988lifeline.org. If you see anything suspicious or doesn't seem right, call 911. Please stay tuned for more information on this situation.
You are now tuning into 97.9 FM radio station. Before we get into the news, there is something about me that you guys should know. My name isn't actually my real name. My real name is Nathan. I'm sorry you guys believe my name was Charlie. But the text-to-speech app says that my name is Nathan, and my last name is actually Walker. So my real name is Nathan Walker. So let's get on to the news. It has been 3 days, and we haven't got any important information or whereabouts on those missing vegetables. Police officers said that they haven't found any footprints, fingerprints, or anything else. If the police officers don't find the vegetables in time, the whole world will be completely starving due to not having vegetables. If this situation will keep going on, then I don't even know what to do at this point. Hold on. I just got word that the police department was able to find the missing vegetables. Wait a second. Something doesn't seem right. Oh no. I need to get to the EAS headquarters to alert this situation.
Guys, it's an emergency.
Nathan, what the hell are you doing here?
I got a report that the vegetables were finally found.
Finally, about time.
Yeah, I'm starving as
But that's the problem. Read this.
You have got to be kidding me.
We got to alert everyone about this.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Pittsburgh Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for the following areas: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania; Harrisburg, Pennsylvania; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Effective until 11 p.m., all residents in the city of Pittsburgh, get to your homes now. At approximately 2:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, police officers were able to find the missing vegetables. However, it was now reported that these vegetables are alive and was now reported to be roaming the streets of Pittsburgh, attacking and killing anyone it sees. Police officers couldn't get a description on the vegetables because there are too many on them to describe. We do not know how they are alive and why are they attacking civilians in Pittsburgh. Police officers are going to track down every single vegetables and stop them for destroying the city. Residents are strongly advised to get to your homes now. Please do the following: closed and lock all doors and windows, barricade any entrance. Turn off all heating and air conditioning, keep all the lights on due to the vegetables being small. If you see the vegetables anywhere near your area, call 911. Please stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Pittsburgh Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the following areas: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania; Harrisburg, Pennsylvania; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Effective until 11 p.m., at approximately 2:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the vegetables that were reported 15 minutes ago had now spread across the entire state of Pennsylvania. There are about more than 100 vegetables attacking the state of Pennsylvania. They can be described as avocado, broccoli, cabbages, carrots, corn, cucumbers, garlic, green beans, lettuce, mushrooms, onions, peas, peppers, potatoes, pumpkins, radish, spinach, squash, tomatoes, and zucchini. These vegetables are armed and extremely dangerous. Police officers are setting up a plan to find each vegetables and stopping them for killing civilians. Residents are urged to stay away from these vegetables at all time. Please lock all doors and windows during this time. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. If necessary, hide in a room with no windows or a basement during this time. If you see the vegetables anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this dangerous situation.
following message is transmitted by the request of the Pittsburgh Police Department. A civil emergency message has been issued for the following areas: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania; Harrisburg, Pennsylvania; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Effective until 3:30 p.m. and ending at 11 p.m., the situation with the killing vegetables have just gotten worse. They were now reported to be throwing bombs all over the state of Pennsylvania. Over 78 buildings were destroyed and 364 bodies were seen lying on the streets of Philadelphia. The vegetables have also seems to have black eyes with red pupils. It was reported that these vegetables are from a cartoon show called VeggieTales. These vegetables have the similar characteristics in the show, but with black eyes with red pupils. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. The location of the vegetables is currently unknown at this time. The state of Pennsylvania is now under lockdown until further notice. Residents are strongly advised to remain in your homes during this time. Get to a basement or a room with no windows and don't make any noise. These vegetables have really good hearing from a long distance. Please lock all doors and windows during this time. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. If you see one of the vegetables anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the vegetables breaks into your home, please remain quiet and don't make any noise, if possible. Try and escape your house and run away as fast as possible. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Pittsburgh Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the following areas: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania; Harrisburg, Pennsylvania; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Effective until 11 p.m., at approximately 4 o'clock p.m., Eastern Standard Time, more vegetables have been reported to be roaming the streets of Pittsburgh. Over 2,000 bodies were seen all over the state of Pennsylvania. Police officers are having a hard time killing all the vegetables. The military has been called to help kill all of the vegetables in the state of Pennsylvania. Most of the destruction in Pennsylvania have gone worse since they arrived. If the vegetables kill off the military, the entire state of Pennsylvania will be destroyed. All residents are strongly advised to keep all your doors and windows locked during this time. Turn off all lights. Turn off all heating and air conditioning during this time. Please don't make any sounds, as it will trigger the vegetables and track your location. If you see the vegetables anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the vegetables breaks into your home, get out of the house immediately and run away as fast as possible and get to an area where the vegetables cannot find you. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this developing situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Pittsburgh Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued to the following areas: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania; Harrisburg, Pennsylvania; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Effective until 11 p.m., at approximately 4:37 p.m., Eastern Standard Time, the vegetables are now reported to have the power to turn people into vegetable zombies. Over 3,000 people have been infected by the vegetables. The military are deciding whether to continue firing at the vegetables until they're down or drop a nuclear bomb in the state of Pennsylvania in order to kill all the vegetables. It's a tough decision because not only the vegetables will be killed, but the entire state of Pennsylvania will be completely destroyed. At this time, all residents are strongly advised to get to an underground shelter during this time. Please lock all doors and windows during this time. Turn off all lights and heating and air conditioning during this time. Get to a room with no windows and don't make any noise or sudden movements during this time. Local authorities will come to your shelter to deliver a strap blanket or anything to stop any movements. If you see the vegetables anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the vegetables breaks into your shelter, get out of your shelter and run away as fast as possible and don't look back. Stay safe, stay calm, and do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. If the military confirm that they will drop a nuclear bomb in Pennsylvania, you must evacuate the state immediately, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate with the emergency alert system during this emergency. Most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is WTAE. We will continue to serve the Pittsburgh area. If you are not in the Pittsburgh area, you should now tune into station providing news and information for your area. This is the emergency alert system, broadcasting the Pittsburgh area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency uses. The emergency alert system has been activated. Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly.
The following message is transmitted by the request of one of the President's representatives, and the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The President is currently launching a nuclear bomb to hit the state of Pennsylvania, killing all the vegetables and including the entire state of Pennsylvania too. The vegetables are continuing destroying the city of Philadelphia. Not knowing that the nuclear bomb is going to be dropped within the next 5 minutes, we advised all residents who are living in Pennsylvania must evacuate the state immediately. Please gather the necessary supplies for your safety, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery power or hand crank radio. It must be hard leaving a state that you loved, but it's our only way to kill all the vegetables for your safety. Residents are also advised to must pray for the state Pennsylvania. As soon the nuclear bomb drops on the state, Pennsylvania will be completely destroyed and abandoned. Residents will remember everything they did in Pennsylvania, but now it's time to say goodbye to Pennsylvania. We will now end here with the final broadcast for Pennsylvania. Stay tuned for the final broadcast in the emergency alert system. Goodbye, Pennsylvania.